Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Krisey coming back to you again with another video. Today I'm going to a networking event. Outfit of the day.
Here, let me hold the camera. You want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, show them my outfit of the day. Okay, so we have an outdoor bag. I bought this maybe during the pandemic.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we have a Zara dress.
Yes.
It's part of their summer collection.
It's cute.
A denim jacket from Old Navy. The shoes is Nike Air Max. The SCs, I think. They're men. And yeah. So now, yeah, we're going. Oh, I'm with the Lewis girls. Yes. Yes, I'm with the Lewis girls.
Though, because we're gonna start vlogging too.
No, she's gonna report my
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hi. You're gonna be on my vlog.
Not. Krisey, who is he? Sorry, we're like talking all up in the thing, so. I can't even see.
This is an opportunity for content creators, Black Canadian content creators, to come together, to connect, to network, and hopefully to create amazing content with each other. You know, this is something that I've never seen done before, let alone in Canada, but in Toronto. So thank you so much for being here. I have seen every single one of your content, and just keep doing what you're doing. And we're proving tonight that you don't need YouTube, Facebook, or any of these social platforms for us to come together. That we can do it ourselves, and this is for us, by us. So thank you so much. So tonight, the idea, like, I also want to say thank you to LUME and my girl, Saida. Out the hors d'oeuvres, and if you're hungry, because I know I am, feel free to take a look at their menu. And so thank you so much. It's an amazing space. Saida, so a little bit about this space.
Hi, welcome. My name is Saida Bowen. I'm the general manager of LUME Kitchen Lounge. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you guys coming and filling the space with your energy. So good on you. Everyone looks lovely. A little bit about this place. We opened December of last year, so we are absolutely a baby restaurant. Thank you very much. We just opened up the patio. Inside and outside, we seat 140 people. Soon to come, DJ nights, half-price oysters, tacos nights, ladies nights, all sorts of really fun things. This place is built for the community. As you can see, we're surrounded by condos, and this Humber Bay Shore area is probably one of the only condo communities where people actually know each other. So we figured we would make a place where they could all come together. So that's really the inspiration for why we even began this endeavor. So yeah, thank you again for being here.
Do your thing.
I want to say this is the time to ideate, focus ideas that you want to do with people, you know? You were out of the event together.
Yes.
I'm like, yo, we should do something where we just have it for in the room. I made the call, made it happen.
Yes. To be more specific. So what happened is I gathered 9 to 10 content creators at a we're trying to really build some form of two bridges that my goal is for Black entrepreneurs, Black businesses to start thinking about us content creators to help amplify their businesses and their voice. That they don't have to wait to go to CBC, they don't have to wait to be on CTV or any of these channels. That we have our audiences that we build through the content we build can help connect for their business, because more likely our audience is their customer that looks like them. So we really want to help start educating these amazing Black businesses out there, not just in Toronto, but throughout Canada, to start thinking about us content creators on how can we help be a megaphone for you. So that's one tier that I'm really pushing for 2023 and 2024. And the other that I'm also building is a bridge between our American cousins, starting with podcasters. Pretty soon we're going to create some form of an event where Americans want to connect with us here in Canada. So how do we build a bridge with America, Black content creators over there, with us right here in Canada? So those are the goals that we're trying to push for 2023 and 2024. Right? So I would love to know more about y'all. So I don't know if anyone is shy, if you're shy, but if you are not, and you really want to share who you are, feel free to stand up and share who you are for a minute or two. If nobody's going to volunteer, I will volunteer. And y'all need to know Angelina. Here's why. She is part of this group, and it gives no excuse for anything here to say, I can't find a Black content creator, because there's three sites that does not give that exclusive, right? So now there's a space, we're not blocking it like some agencies that shall remain nameless. But it's really, so I really encourage you to get to any of our sites, because whenever you fill with one, you'll go to all three and add yourself to that list. So that way, if there's any brand that wants to work with us, with you, there's a space for it, right? And it helps me, or even any of us, podcasters, any of us, to either have you on our show or either push these brands well, this is where you need to go to connect with amazing Black, melanated, Canadian creators. Okay? All right, it's okay.
I'm good, thank you. So I'm that. Hi, guys.
Anja, great. Thank you for being here. We'll have many more.
You better.
And the whole goal, it all started with ideas, right? So you have an idea, you're surely I want to try to do something here. Let's collaborate. I am open to collaborate with any one of y'all who have any idea.
Well, look at you, Miss Content Creator. Yes.
This girl didn't want to say nothing.
I didn't capture her intro because I was using her camera, but she did amazing.
I did?
You did amazing.
I did?
I'm proud of
I
you.
feel like I was messing up, stuttering.
No.
I'm gonna watch it again on the camera.
Yeah, you did amazing. I'm proud of you. Is that the food menu?
Alright, so my name is Dennis, and I'm a part of the YouTube channel Steph and Den. And the motivation behind us starting the channel is realizing that there was a gap in the financial information that was out there for Canadians, right? So I feel like when everyone's online, you see a lot of stuff on the 401k, the Roth IRA, all these things that mean nothing to us as Canadians. Like, it would be great to have information on the TFSA, the RSP, and how to basically manage your money. That's what basically the channel was founded on, and yeah, our goal is to make money simple. That's what we do.
Okay, and could you say your channel again?
The channel is Steph and Den.
Steph and
So
Den.
Stephanie and Dennis.
Okay, thank you so
Perfect.
much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Andrew Day. co-founder of a brand called Nutria. So it's a supplement and wellness brand that focuses on blending ancient ingredients with modern science to figure out the best ways that we can use our body to become the most productive versions of ourselves long term. So there's two arms to the business. One is a supplement line where we focus on all natural ingredients, 5 ingredients each. And the second arm is a content hub where we focus on how we can inspire the human body to create the best version of itself in sustainable and practical ways.
Okay. And then could you say it again? Your information, like where to find you?
Yeah, it's Nutria, NEUTRIA.co.
Okay,
you can find that on all platforms.
All right. What is up, everybody? It's Dr. Vibe, host and producer of the award-winning Dr. Vibe show. I have done over 4,000 online conversations. I'm a 2-time Canadian Ethnic Media Association Award winner, 2020 Best Podcast News Award, 2018 Innovation Award given to the highest level of achievement in that organization. I also co-host and co-produce the only online show in the world for dads and fathers that's sponsored by Dove Men Plus Care. And it's a sponsored gig. I get paid, family. I get paid for it.
Yeah, of
All
course.
right, so I'm also a business advisor for the Canadian Black Chamber of Commerce. So I mentor Black entrepreneurs right across this country. I'm also personally mentored by Mario Armstrong, 2-time Emmy Award winner out of Baltimore. Between him and his wife, they have done over $5 million worth of sponsorships in the last 5 years with organizations like Beats by Dre, Capital One, NASDAQ, Apple, all over the place.
And where to find you again? Just let us know.
You can find me at www.thedrvibeshow.com, the Dr. Vibe Show.
Hello, everybody. My name is Alexander, co-host of Hustle Over Everything podcast. It's a podcast where we feature stories, tips, and tactics from entrepreneurs who have done it. We vet them and have some of the best in the game on our show. Some people include Matt Barnes from All the Smoke, Jabril Agaro from Passport Heavy, Tiffany Aliche from The Budgetnista, and the list goes on and on, over 150 episodes. So tap in, Hustle Over Everything on any platform. On IG, it's 247 Hustler. That's that.
Okay, thank you.
We're ready to go home.
Been ready.
Ready.
We're hungry.
Hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Oh God, they go look at one piece of chicken. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, man.
You were vlogging the whole time, right?
Yeah.
Better have been
What's up with this little fluff in here? What is this?
Flies.
This is nasty. I don't want this going all the way back to Scarborough. The fuck?
This one? CXD.
Hello, Mr. Uber. I want a blood clot. This.
Oh.
Sorry about
I keep forgetting my.
Sorry about it.
This is a tobacco, right?
Yeah.
So why it come like boonies?
But that's why. I'm just kidding.